If you guys have been wondering where I've been, the simple answer is pretty much the same answer as the last time. I've been editing videos. My life has consisted of just straight editing videos, and I'm not gonna lie, like, I really have enjoyed it. With that said, I have tried to vlog a little bit. It just really hasn't really been anything that I could piece together. Yesterday at the shop, I went ahead and I just started like filming. So here's kind of like a walk around video of me walking around our shop to show you everything that's there. Oh, and by the way, as I'm editing, I'm also babysitting too. So check out these clips from yesterday, just walking around the shop. I really appreciate you guys being here. Most of my day is spent like right here, like nuts and bolts. The nuts and the bolts of the day is I'm generally sitting here editing videos. Like not too crazy, but what happens in the back is where it's at. So I figured what I'd do today is I would just walk you guys through the back because there's a lot of stuff going on. So let's take a quick walk, see what all's back here. Are you good, bro? It's annoying. In the big room, we've got a Diablo, which we are getting ready to get some footage on that, the Diablo. Coming up probably in the next week. This car is going to get a feature showing on it, so that's pretty cool. And then way back over there, do you see it? I'll walk down there in a second, but we have a helicopter, and that's also going to get a feature film here pretty soon. Let's check and see what Jesse's doing over here. Got a Porsche in, that's gonna get some new wheels and tires. Kind of like that matte black hood, that's pretty neat. He's actually working on a pretty basic car. This is the new Chevrolet Blazer. I almost said Trailblazer because I used to sell those when they were new. But yeah, got a new Blazer in for a paint correction and ceramic coating. And it also got window tint, so that's pretty neat. Let's see what the inside of these things look like. Oh shit, I just messed that up. Yeah, that's cool. 400, they must have, look, you got it, 461 miles. They must have just bought this thing. Yeah, I really like those seats. Chevrolet did a pretty good job with this car. Okay, let me put this back since I just messed up his tape. Stick that like that. Sorry, Jesse. Apologize for that. What's up? What's going on?
Oh, you know.
It's not all exotic cars here, is it?
No, sir. Sometimes we get brand new Blazers.
Brand new Chevy Blazers, baby.
I think it's kind of cool.
It is pretty cool. I just messed your tape line up. I opened the door on it by accident. Yeah, wheels look good. Like, that's a pretty good looking little car, dude.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Got a SUV Mercedes. The Porsche, this car has been around here for a long time. My owner actually owns this car. It's why it's on a dealer tag. Got an old Corvette in. Can you kind of see a common trend here? We are all about the Porsches. Tons of Porsches. And then yeah, the helicopter, guys, that's going to be coming up here in the next 2 weeks, maybe week or two. It's got to get painted and ceramic coated, so he's working on sanding it now, and then it'll go in our paint booth and get all sanded up. Speaking about paint booths, got a paint booth video. That's what I worked on this week. So check out this paint booth video and then we'll catch up.
Hi, I'm Andy. I'm the paint and bodywork manager here at Ceramic Pro Sarasota. When the Ferrari came in for a paint correction, it was almost like a mini restoration. It was an older model Ferrari. It needed an extensive paint correction to get it back to the quality that we wanted to have it before the ceramic coating. During the paint correction process, we decided there was a spot in the driver's side door that we just couldn't get good enough to our standards. So we went ahead and brought it over to the body shop department, took care of the little repair, and did the paint work on the driver door to get it back to the quality that, you know, we hold ourselves to. Got it all taped up and covered so we wouldn't have any overspray in the rest of the car. We had to prep the door for paint. Then we went ahead and went into our mixing room and pulled the paint code and mixed up the correct color for the car, and then proceeded to put the color on the area that needed the repair, and then re-clear coat the rest of the panel to have a seamless finish. The main difference on exotics versus regular everyday drivers is the initial paintwork done from the manufacturer on exotics. They go kind of above and beyond what a typical passenger vehicle would have, whereas they do the wet sanding and buffing at the factory to get the vehicle as smooth and straight as possible. We are definitely not a production shop by any means. We go for quality over quantity 100%. There's definitely a good feeling of gratification when the job is complete. More so once the vehicle is wet sanded and buffed and polished, and you get to see, you know, the mirror finish that you created, and, you know, the damage is no longer there and the car looks like it was before anything ever happened to it.
I've asked you guys numerous times if you thought that I should upload these videos on my channel, and you guys have said yes, so I'm gonna try to incorporate them, but I also still wanna like put into like vlog style. I don't wanna just drop them and leave them and go and that be it. So between client work, between client work and my real job and church videos and Tara's new vlogs, and it's just been crazy. So I really appreciate you guys sticking by me. I really appreciate everyone hitting the subscribe button. If you've made it this far in the video, tell me down in the comments. Tell me what you've been up to, because I haven't really heard from you guys either, and I kind of missed that. So, Cody Reed, every single week I give you guys new videos. Might be short, might be sweet, might be something good.